I got this cookware fish and I'm going to be roasting it. It still have the shell on. I need dry fish. So um let's do it together. Look, I have my grater, is an hand grater, and you can easily use it to peel off the shell. So let's do it and you see how I do it. So I'm just going to use this to peel it off. See how easy you can peel off the shell on any fish, and it comes out clean and easy. Just scrub it off. Just with this. So now it's washed and clean. So I'm going to cut it to my desired size. So I'm going to be cutting it today. If you want it to be to take a while in the oven longer, so you can cut it big. But if you don't want it to take longer in your oven, you can cut it small. So I'm going to be cutting it to this shape because we will be drying it with the oven. So this is what I cut it to. So now I'm going to be sprinkling salt in. I'll sprinkle some sea salt. So you can use any spices as you desire, but I just want sea salt. So the next thing I'm going to be putting in is my palm oil to change the color. So I will rub it up with my palm oil. So you can just rub it up. So this will give it the golden color that you see in your dry fish. So I'm just massaging it in. I'm not putting any other thing. So you can use your griller to grill or use your oven. I'm going to be using my oven. The fish out for it to roast. I'll be putting it in my oven. So we have space in between so that everyone can roast on its own and not stacking to the next one. So now I'm going to be roasting it in my oven for 1 hour in 200 degrees. Oh, see, it is ready. Just have a look at it. This is it, ready. Look at it. So here is it. My fish is ready. So I've gotten my grilled dry fish. So you can allow it to dry. You can still allow it to dry to what you want, but it's okay for me. have a look at it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do give us comment, share, and subscribe. God bless you.